Y'all, Trump just got it nearly $800 million in medical research and called it a win against wokeness. And I'm trying to understand what the fuck does medical research have to do with wokeness? Like, what does it have to do with being woke? And I'm tired of them saying that shit. And burn that shit into the ground. I don't want to hear it no more. I'm tired. I am tired. And y'all, the Supreme Court backed him. Scientists are panicking, and everybody's just lost. We all lost. We've lost in November. We've been lost since November. We're fucked. It's done. It's over with. It's cooked. America is cooked. As long as that man is in the White House, we're cooked. Ain't nothing left. We ain't got nothing left. I mean, this is ridiculous. And then, like, the shit that it covered, like breast cancer awareness, HIV, suicide prevention, maternal health, all that shit. How is that woke? I'm just confused of his logic. That man is not very bright. You have the nerve to call other people dumb. I just don't get it. I'm confused. And then a lower court blocked the cuts, and then the Supreme Court overruled that decision, and I don't know. And then some woman named Amy Barrett blocked future cuts, but it don't really matter at this point. I really don't. He gonna continue to do what he wanna do, and nobody gonna tell him no. I don't know what he got on these people, but it must be something. It really must be something. And Trump is talking about woke politics and wasteful spending. I don't know what woke politics is, and only person that's been spending is him. I mean, he's been doing most of the spending, so I don't understand none of that. And then like if you really think about it and look, all the cuts target inclusive research, like Black maternity health, LGBTQ plus studies, and community trauma and stuff. So like, I'm confused. It's really giving, if it don't look like me or doesn't match my pocket, I don't give a fuck. I don't care what happens to you. They really don't give a fuck about nobody but rich white men. That's it. That's all. If you don't look like him or got his pockets, you might as well. You might as well be. I don't know. I really don't. And this ain't about no budget. It's about control. Control. Like, who gets seen, who gets heard, who get funded. That's it. And you know why it's a big deal? It's a big deal because, a lot of projects are now at risk or already been stopped, and it sets the future for future cuts to climate science and indigenous research and all types of other stuff. So I don't know. I really don't know. And like, anytime science become political, nobody's health is safe, at that point. So, only thing I have to say about all this is, this ain't just about grants or budget lines. it's about erasing marginalized communities from the core of public health, and that's just terrible, So the only thing I can tell y'all to do is stay informed. And I'm not laughing at the situation. I'm laughing because it's ridiculous. It's really ridiculous, and it's sad as hell, and nobody's doing anything to stop it, and it's just terrible. So only thing I'm gonna tell y'all to do is stay informed, do your own individual research, and look into this shit because it's very important.